Welcome to the best picks. The best 1996 Dodge Ram headlights are probably one of the most important safety features of your truck, ensuring you see and are seen on the road, especially during night driving or in adverse weather. Properly functioning headlights are not just about visibility, they're about safety, and upgrading to brighter, clearer headlights can significantly improve your driving experience and peace of mind. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect replacement headlights for your classic 1996 Dodge Ram 1500. Number 5. Autosaver 88 Dodge Ram Headlights. It's compatible with 1994 to 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 and 1994 to 2002 Dodge Ram 2500 3500 models. Remember, bulbs are not included, you'll need to use your existing ones. These headlights are built to last. Rigorous testing ensures they'll perform reliably in all kinds of weather. Its waterproof construction keeps out moisture, so it'll work perfectly even in rain, snow, or sand. The microprism reflector and chrome finish make for brighter, wider lighting, increasing visibility at night. Plus, vents help prevent moisture buildup. This is a pair of headlights, one for each side. They're designed for a perfect fit, just like the original ones, ensuring a seamless installation. Professional installation is recommended. What we like. It boasts a sealed, waterproof design, ensuring it withstands harsh weather. Its durable construction guarantees longevity. If you need a reliable, factory-style replacement that can handle anything Mother Nature throws at it, this is the one for you. What people say. These fit perfectly on my 01 Dodge Ram 1500. Install was very easy and the new headlamp assemblies needed little adjustment. Once installed, looked great on the truck. The dims were super bright and lit up the entire road. They shine bright and they are easy to clean when necessary. I am very happy with the fit and finish of these lights. Number 4. AmeriLite Dodge Ram Headlights. Give your Dodge Ram a modern look with these AmeriLite headlights. They're a direct replacement, making installation a breeze. These headlights are designed to perfectly fit your Dodge Ram 1500 or 2500 3500, excluding sport models. Ensure a seamless and secure fit. Drive with confidence knowing that they meet or exceed all US and Canadian safety regulations. They're completely road legal. It's a direct OEM replacement, meaning no modifications are needed for installation. Get it done quickly and easily. This set includes both driver and passenger side headlights for a complete upgrade. Everything you need is in one box. We stand behind our product with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 90-day limited warranty. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This offers a hassle-free installation process. It's a direct replacement. It also comes with a money-back guarantee. If you value a simple, no-fuss replacement with peace of mind, this is your best bet. Number 3. DNA Motoring HL OEM DR94-4P Headlights. These headlights are designed to give your vehicle a fresh look. They're a direct replacement for your old ones, making installation a breeze. It fits 94-01 Dodge Ram 1500 and 94-02 Dodge Ram 2500 3500 models. Please note that it does not fit sport models or Ram vans. The package includes one pair of headlights and one pair of corner lights. Everything you need for a complete upgrade. Installation is simple, it's a plug-and-play design. No modifications or drilling are required. They offer a direct OE fitment or replacement for your stock unit. They are designed to seamlessly integrate with your vehicle. No instructions are included. Professional installation is highly recommended for optimal results. Upgrade your vehicle's lighting with these stylish and functional headlights. They'll make your Ram stand out from the crowd. What we like. This headlight is designed in original equipment style and offers a simple plug-and-play installation. No modifications are needed for installation. If you prioritize a straightforward, direct replacement that maintains the original look, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Put them in and look good, wired them to the park lights as you can see. Look a heck of a lot better than the stocks. Took about 2 hours. The headlights and brackets are wonderful. What's not wonderful were the broken brackets on both turn signals preventing the screws from holding them in. I had to buy some Dorman replacements. Other than that, they're easily adjustable and work great. I was skeptical about buying these at first because of the reviews saying the tabs get broken. But I had no issues on install. It's been 3 weeks now and so far still doing great. They look great. Number 2. Dorman 1590121 Headlight Assembly. It's designed to perfectly match your original headlights, ensuring a smooth and seamless transition. Enjoy the same look and functionality as before, without any hassle. Dorman Products has been a leader in automotive parts for over a century. You can trust in our experience and commitment to quality. They're made from tough, rigid plastic that can withstand the elements and the wear and tear of the road. It's built to last. It's designed to fit perfectly, just like the original. Installation is quick and straightforward. Use our online tool to verify compatibility with your vehicle. Look for the confirmed fit bar. A blue eye indicates you need to check additional notes to ensure a perfect fit. This is a 2-pack, so you get a pair of headlights for both sides of your vehicle. Get everything you need in one purchase. What we like. It's designed for a perfect fit and function like the original. The durable materials ensure it can withstand the elements. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-install replacement that seamlessly integrates with your vehicle, this is it. What people say. They work well and are basically just like the original OEM lights. Bulb is included, which is an added bonus. These replacement headlights were easy to install and fit my Dodge Ram perfectly. They're bright, long-lasting, and improve visibility on the road. They fit perfectly. It's a trick trying to install the entire unit as one. I learned after the first one to disassemble the marker lens from the headlight, then assemble once into the whole of fender. Easy that way. Looks great like OEM. Number 1. SPEC-D Tuning Dodge Ram Headlights. Upgrade your Dodge Ram's look with these stunning headlights. They're designed to perfectly fit your truck and give it a modern, stylish appeal. These headlights are compatible with 1994 to 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 and 1994 to 2002 Dodge Ram 2500 3500 models. Please note they may not fit Sport Package models. They meet DOT and SAE compliance standards, ensuring safety and reliability. They're made by an ISO-certified manufacturer using high-quality materials. Installation is a breeze. They require minimal modifications, making the upgrade quick and straightforward. We stand behind our product with a 30-day refund and 90-day replacement warranty. Contact us if you have any questions or issues. You can trust that you'll receive brand new headlights, in perfect condition, and in their original packaging. What we like. This headlight meets all safety standards and is incredibly easy to install. It also comes with a solid warranty. If you need a compliant, user-friendly replacement with added protection, this is a great option. What people say. Installed in minutes. Looks and work like MFG equipment. Worked great for a projector retrofit. Got them for my 2000 Dodge Ram 2500 Cummins, they fit perfect and pretty easy install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.